Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to set up automatic replies in the new Outlook for Windows email client. So you may or may not know that this is replacing Windows Mail, or depending on when you're watching it, it already replaced Windows Mail, but you could still do the out of the office or automatic replies if you need to do so. All right, so we have two accounts configured here. We have a Gmail account and an Outlook account. So to set this up, we just go to the settings here. Then under accounts, automatic replies. Then you can see here for this Gmail account, it says automatic replies are not supported for this account. So as of right now, you can't use a Gmail account with automatic replies, and it also doesn't work with some of the other features. So this might change in the future, but for now you can't do it. So we're going to simply switch to an Outlook account here. Now I already have this configured just to save some time. All right, so I have my box checked to send replies during this time period here. So I'm going to be out of the office from the 22nd to the 26th from 8 to 5. And then you could also block your calendar for this period. And you could put a title for that. Then you could automatically decline new invitations for events during that period, which I'll show you as well. And then if you have some existing meetings, you could have those canceled as well, which I don't. All right, then you just type in your message here for what the other person's going to see. And then at the bottom, there's an option to send replies only to contacts. So that means only people from your address book or contact list will get this auto reply. And those who are not will not get the auto reply and not necessarily know that you're out of the office. Okay, so we have it enabled. We have our date and time here. We're going to block our calendar. And we're going to decline new invitations. So we'll save this. Okay, so let's go to the calendar real quick and I'll show you what we have here. So it blocked out the time on the calendar for the whole duration of the auto reply. Okay, so now let's go send an email from somebody. So I'm going to send one from another Microsoft account. This will work, for Gmail and Yahoo and other accounts. It's just a little more responsive if you're going Outlook to Outlook. So do a new email here, send it to the guy who's configured the automatic replies. Okay, so we'll send this off to the person who has the automatic replies configured. Okay, so the message comes in just like a normal message. Now we'll go back to the sender. Now we got the automatic reply here with the message, so that worked fine. Okay, so now we're going to send a calendar invite to this user who has the automatic replies configured. So let's say for Thursday. All right, so we have our sales meeting for the 25th from 9 to 10. Send it off to Todd, who has the automatic reply configured. Go back to our email here. Okay, so we got the auto reply again. And it says Todd has declined this event. So depending on what type of email account you're using to send your emails, the reply for the declined meetings will look a little different, but this just says it right there, and it declined the meeting. So there's nothing else to be done. All right, so once again, from your Outlook client, settings, accounts, automatic replies, make sure you pick the right type of account, and then just configure your options. If you want to block out your calendar, you could do that. And then if you want to decline new invitations, like we just showed you, then you could check this box. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.